RF-30s mills. Mill drills, what they call, some people do. I do a lot of work on them. What I got to offer is, I was working on this lathe and I was replacing the bearings in it. Then I was putting this in, putting my readout in here on. And what I found surprised me. I'm going to show you what I found. Okay, let's move over here and I'll show you. I'm going to move the camera and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. You see that hole right there in the casing? Y'all see that? I'll post a picture of it later. But you see that hole? Okay, chips fly up in there. When I tore all this out, that thing was chips all in there. Because of the, like, oil and grease and stuff that you use, flies up in there. You use air holes and stuff. It goes up in that hole. Matter of fact, there's some chips in there now. And it gets everywhere. I mean, it gets back here on this piece, back in here. Move you a little closer and see what I'm saying. I can feel it back in here. There's chips all around this inside of here, around this column here. It gets on there, it gets on here. As you go up and down, look at this hole here. There's a hole on the back side. Don't stop chips from getting in there. What I did is I got with a buddy of mine who got Fusion 360. I played with that many years ago, back when it was AutoCAD. I don't do it no more. But he had Fusion 360 and I drawed up his plan and had him write a program to do 3D printing. I came up with this. See? I came up with this. Alright, I'm going to offer these. This pops in and it seals that hole. Now, all these holes are not exactly the same size. A friend of mine has got one. I talked to him about it. He's ordered one. Okay, so I'm only going to offer these things for a certain price. It'll be posted. See, it flexes a little bit. These fit. Now, some of these, his mill, I had to file down right on this corner here. On this corner, I had to file a little bit on both of them. Down a little bit. It's a little bit too big. On mine, it fit good right out of the printer. It's a little hard to put in, which is good. They don't fall out. So, take this. Got to make sure you got the radiuses in there. You got to make sure those parts don't keep. Not fit. Right there. It'll keep all the chips out of there. So that's what I got. When I was cleaning it, I seen all in. When I cleaned it, first time it wasn't tore down, I could see in there. There was chips everywhere. Because I bought this from somebody 300 miles away. It was full of chips. You know, I figured it out that. So I tried to fit. I used to have duct tape on it. Keep it out. But I got me a 3D printer. Fooling around with it. Now there's going to be a website I'm going to post it on. I'll have it written down in the description. The website I'm going to post the program on and sell the program for people who got their own 3D printers. Okay? Alright. Thank you. I hope anybody's interested in one, contact me and I'll let you know.